Matillion ETL version 1.72 is now publicly available to all customers. In this video, we'll show you what new features and improvements are included. Version 1.72 is a long-term support release. Long-term support for version 1.61 has now ended. Read the Matillion ETL supported releases document to learn more. On Matillion ETL for Snowflake, Delta Lake on Databricks, and Amazon Redshift, the Run dbt command component has been renamed to Commands for dbt Core, and the component has been updated. There is a new parameter called Profile Config for users to assign additional output parameters or override existing parameters of the profiles.yaml file. Also, the parameter map environment variables has been renamed to map dbt environment variables. On Matillion ETL for Delta Lake on Databricks, there are two new components. We've added the JDBC incremental load component, as well as the Salesforce incremental load component. Some other changes on Matillion ETL for Delta Lake on Databricks. We've added support for the Matillion API metadata API endpoint. The Start Cluster component has been updated to always use the environment's default cluster, and the Run Delta Live Table component has been updated to allow selection of pipeline by name from a drop-down menu, instead of entering an ID string. And these are the new features in Matillion ETL version 1.72. Please subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the releases, and for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.